This video will focus on vowels, vowel sounds, and putting different letters and letter sounds together to make new words. The first vowel is A, and it makes two sounds. The short sound is A, the long sound is A. This is an E. The short sound is E, the long sound is E. This is an I. The short sound is I, the long sound is I. This is an O. The short sound is Ah, the long sound is O. This is a U. The short sound is the long sound is U. I have an R and an N. The beginning sound is the ending sound is N. If I put a U in the middle, it makes the word N, run. If I change the vowel sound and add an A, N, ran. If I use G, and add an I in the middle, the short sound is I, big. And you always start with the short sound first. And if that does not make sense, then you move to the long sound. Beg. So it changes from I to E. X. Add an O in the middle. Fox. If I change the middle vowel sound, fix. K, p. If I put an A in the middle, it makes the word k, app. One other thing that we can do is we can add a silent E. When we add a silent E to the end of the word, it makes this vowel long. So instead of app, the new word is cape. If I change the A to O, that is cop. But if I add the silent E, the word is cope.